I will never see assault rifles the same after learning what the HK416 can do. This machine changed modern firepower. Let me show you why. The HK416 is renowned for its unmatched reliability, even in the harshest conditions. Its gas piston system keeps it cool and clean, while the cold hammer-forged barrel delivers pinpoint accuracy shot after shot. With rapid cycling and a modular design, it's built for any mission, from close quarters to long-range engagement. No wonder special forces rely on it when failure isn't an option. Want more deep dives into cutting-edge firepower? Hit subscribe and join the Blackhawk armament community today.